Hi everybody, it's Laura here. How are you today? Following up on another bloom on a tile with the same colors I used in the last painting. I like those colors so much, I thought let's do a tile. And so what I did is I scraped the paint off of my background here and I plopped it on the tile. I'm doing these right after another. And so that I don't waste it, because that was quite a bit of paint. That'll help it get out to the edges. And then I put down a little bit of fresh pillow. That's the lighter white you see. Waste not, want not. No sense losing all that paint when it'll help your bloom get out to the edges. I really like that color combination in the last one, so I thought I'm going to use it again. See what we can create. My thought is to do a different pattern of modifying on this when we're done, but it all depends. I look at my blowout. If I have a perfect, beautiful blowout, I won't modify. If my blowout is not so hot, I will modify. Pop those two bubbles. And our cell activator. And off we go. For those of you that are new to my channel, I cannot blow with my lungs. It doesn't work for me. It doesn't work well at all. So I use that mini blower and I love it. All right, let's let that come into the center there. In the meantime, we can drag our pillow out to the edges so it will cover well. So let's see. These are pretty cells. I do want to kind of let it go over that way some. I think we will not modify. Well, I don't know what to do. Let's spin it first. Maybe we'll modify later. Well, these colors did not turn out the same as the last painting I did. I want to lose some of that off over that edge over there. I don't like it. That big empty spot over there. All right, let's spin some more. get it going that way. See, so the main key is to get cells over your whole object is to make sure you use enough paint. If you see that, we're almost there. We are almost there. We're just going to keep spinning. Let's get a little bit of helper paint right here and right there. When you drag like this, when you add to the corners, it helps that paint get over the edge because it kind of wants to get stopped on the dry tile. It likes to move over smooth and juicy paint. Closing up my paints here while I wait. So what's everybody been up to? Anything exciting over the winter? All right. We're getting there. We still need some more spinning. I do not like that. Like I'm going to modify that somehow and we're going to modify this all together. So I was thinking of just doing some vertical lines like so. I'm going to break up these spots I don't like. Isn't it funny? How you could do one color combination and love it. And then the next thing you do with it, it doesn't thrill you as much. Maybe because you put down more of one color than another. Who knows why these things happen. But every painting is always different. I will show you the painting that I did yesterday. I'm sorry, not yesterday, in the last video. To show you what a difference. Here's that painting. I'm not going to go down too far so I don't... Look at that color combination in there. So there's definitely more of the Atelier Cobalt Turquoise Light, which really floats my boat. In this one, you don't see as much of it. But, cute tile. Let me scrape this away so you can actually see what it looks like without all of that. Oh my. I just dripped paint on the center. Oh. Darn it. We may have to scrape this. We're going to have to... Oh, look at that. Darn it. Well, Let's try something. No, it ain't gonna work. We're scraping this. I was gonna say, let's add some more drizzles of paint that weren't meant to be there and see how that looks. We can still use this paint here. I'm not going to throw it away because we're going to cover the whole tile. You won't even see it. So let's... Oh my goodness. Let's accentuate our errors, huh? I feel silly today. So, more pillow paint. And of course, I just closed up my paints and cleaned off my sticks. And yeah, it's going to be one of them days. Alright, let's try it. I'm definitely going to put down more of the cobalt turquoise light this time. I think we're going to avoid the Inferno entirely. That was kind of taking over and giving it more of an orangish hue. So let's do this. The yellow and blue will make a little bit of green. This is turning into a longer video than I thought. All because of a boo-boo. A little more. I love this color. I love for it to take over. Always happy when it takes over. Cell activator. Here we go. We're ready. I don't know if you can see that halo. That's what we want. Oh, I am glad I scraped. Much better blowout, much better colors. Let's let that come together. This is like Little Mermaid under the sea or something. I love it. Now I can close my colors because I'm not goofing that up. I'm not even modifying it. That one's going to stay the way it is. Yes. So yeah, I don't like how the Inferno was taking over and changing the whole scheme to more orange. I did not like that in this combination. Don't get me wrong, I love the Inferno, but just not here. Look at those cells. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is going to be gorgeous. All right, we can spin. No modification at all. gotta know when to modify and when to not. Getting my tray ready to get it off of here. That's what you hear banging around. Oh wow, look at that. It is beautiful. Okay, I want it to come this way. I'm going to pull my mat this way. We're going to spin the heck out of it. We want no cracking going on when this one dries, because it is beauteous. Oh, yeah. One little bubble. Yeah, that's all I see. And I will take you down and show you how, number one, the cells are out to the edges. Ooh, yes. Turn the flash on. Look at those cells. Aren't they beautiful? Out to the edges. Just by spinning, because we used enough paint. Always want to use enough. This is a pretty springy color combination, isn't it? I love it. So anyway, please give me a thumbs up on the video. Please comment with any questions you might have. And subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.